in this video we're going to look at how do we use central pivot range to make the trade. Okay, so when we look at the naked chart without any indicators, we don't know exactly whether the stocks are downtrending, uptrending or sideways, right? So what we can do now is, if you put this, let me add the central pivot range, and you will see what's going to happen now. So you can exactly see whether the stock is downtrending or uptrending. So we are on a daily time frame. So here we have added the CPR. This is a monthly CPR, right? So each month you will get a CPR. So if you go to edit settings, it's a monthly. Let's say, for example, I flip it to weekly, right? So you will have a CPR every week, right? So if you put a weekly CPR, then you have to go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, only then you can basically look at the chart. So whatever CPR is, you have to go to the lower time frame. Okay, so let's flip it to daily time frame, and then edit monthly CPR. If you are in month, you just go to day. If you are in a week, go to 1 hour. If you are in 1 day, you just go to 5 minutes. Okay, so that is the time range you want to go. Okay, so now let's look at this. So if you look at here, the CPR is, if you see here, it is keep on downtrending, right? So and then it comes with the narrow CPR. That means next month the stock is going to be trending downwards. Okay, so if the if the CPR is like stepping like this, basically it's a downtrending market. Okay, you don't want to take a trade to the upside. Okay, so one more thing, if you want to, whenever you want to take a downtrending trade, you want to have the candle without the upper wick. You just have to have a lower wick. Only then you want to take the trade. So for example, you don't want to take the trade here, you don't want to take the trade here, you can start taking the trade from here. Okay. So now let's look at uptrending CPR. So now here we have a stock which is Broadcom. You can see that CPR is going up like a step, right? You have a narrow CPR here. You can see that if you have taken the trade here, right? This is make sure when you do uptrend, you want to take the trade when there is no lower wick, only upper wick. So if you start taking the trade here, you will see that the trade has gone up. You have a narrow CPR here. So typically when you go up, you just want to, when you see a red candle, you just get out. Okay, and then you start taking the trade again here, right? For this candle. Now it has gone up like that, right? So this is a clearly uptrending CPR, and then when you see a narrow CPR, it basically goes parabolic up. Okay, so this is how you determine whether the stock is an uptrend or downtrend or a. So let me show you one more example where the stock is in sideways. Okay. Okay, so here we are on a stock which is basically on a sideways. If you see here, it has been uptrending here, but then it started doing sideways. So if the CPR is same level and it's not downtrending or uptrending, it's basically in a sideways movement. Okay, so here it was uptrending, then it started going down, then it started uptrending again, started going sideways. Okay, so this is how you can basically track whether the stock is going up, down or sideways. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.